Hi everyone! Welcome to today's lesson about the phrase, I'm going to. Today we will learn how to express what we want to do in the future. Okay, let's begin. Here is the agenda for today's class. First, I will explain how to use I'm going to and teach you about this phrase. We will also talk about the question, what are you going to? These two sentences work well together. Next, we will take a look at some examples, followed by playing the Unscramble game, and finally, the writing activity for today. Please have a notebook and pen ready. I'm going to. This expression is used to say what you will do in the future. For example, I'm going to plus verb. I'm going to read a book. Can you think of any other examples using I'm going to plus verb? Let's practice some examples together. I will show you the sentence on the slide and read it aloud twice. Please repeat after me. I'm going to meet with my friends. It will be fun. I'm going to meet with my friends. It will be fun. I'm going to have a birthday party. I'm going to have a birthday party. I'm going to finish my homework. I'm going to finish my homework. I'm going to go back to school. I'm going to go back to school. Okay. Next, let's learn about how to ask the question, what are you going to do? Using this sentence, you can ask other people what they are going to do. For example, what are you going to do in summer vacation? Okay, now it's time to play the Unscramble game. I will show you a slide. Try to put the words in the correct order. I will give you 30 seconds for each sentence. Okay, ready? That's right. I'm going to finish work. Okay, let's try the next one. Ready? I'm going to a music concert. Did you get this one correct? I'm going to the beach in vacation. Okay, let's try the last one. I'm going to a buffet for dinner. A buffet means all you can eat or unlimited refills. Hi everyone, I'm in Jeonju on vacation. I'm about to eat dokgalbi. It is so delicious. Look. Yummy. What are you doing in your vacation? Okay. Now that you've seen my plans for the vacation, I want you to tell me about what you are going to do during your vacation. Use the phrase, I'm going to talk about what you will do during the summer vacation. In your notebook, please write 3 sentences. I will give you 3 minutes to complete this activity. Okay, let's begin. Excellent work! Now, let's review what we have learned in today's lesson. We looked at the key phrase, I'm going to. This expression is used to say what you will do in the future and is usually followed by a verb. For example, I'm going to read a book. Next, we looked at the key question, what are you going to do? Using this sentence, you can ask other people what they are going to do. For example, you can ask your friends, what are you going to do in summer vacation? Okay, that's all for today's class. I hope you enjoy your summer vacation and see you next semester. Until then, bye bye.